You must have heard that old money does not like to show off their wealth. They like to build wealth in silence, they operate in stealth mode, and most often you won't see super wealthy out there in the limelight. But it is a human instinct that you like to brag about what you have, and these people also show off, but to the right people, in the right social gatherings, and the purpose is to build the right connections and making the right impact. Here are the 6 ways that ultra-rich people like to show off. Wealthy people like collecting the most valuable art, and the number one way they can find to show off their success in life is to show off their art collection. Just to give you an idea, Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator was auctioned for $450 million in 2017, and still to date it is considered to be the most expensive auction ever made. Some affluent art collectors build galleries in their homes or on their properties. Then the wealthy art collectors will host private parties just to show the other wealthy people what art collection that they have. These gatherings not only allow them to show off their passion for art, but also connect with other like-minded art enthusiasts and art collectors. Some establish their own museums and foundations to house their precious art collections. Still not satisfied? There are more ways to brag. Ever seen a street or a building named after somebody? This is the second way ultra-rich people like to show off their name, by giving their name to a building or a street, or giving their family name to a prestigious institution. What an amazing way to print your name in the history books. Now, these ultra-rich give sizable donations to these institutions just to get their name printed on their front signboards. Hollywood Walk of Fame was established in 1960, which houses the most prominent names in the entertainment industry. Now, most of the actors and celebrities which have their names imprinted there have died long ago, but their names will live for longer time, at least till the Hollywood lasts, So the ultimate aim of the ultra-rich is to leave a legacy behind. And what better way than to buy your way through it? Number 3, look no further. Come to Dubai, Habibi, where one of the most important show-off is to own the smallest digit number plates. Having a unique number plate is a status symbol for the ultra-rich that sets you apart when you travel. You will see the Dubai Sheikh traveling in his G-Wagon with the number plate 1, setting the bar real high. And the richer you are, the more you will want to buy the number plate closest to that number. And this does not stop at car number plates. You also need to own a super golden phone number, which is easy to remember and accessible to very few. And trust me, these numbers have been auctioned for millions of dollars, and the ultra-rich come hunting for them. The 4th way wealthy like to show off is by mentioning how expensive things are getting. I am not talking about bread and butter here. I am talking about, let's say for example, their kids' tuition fees of $200,000 a year. So the point here is to show that they can afford it, but they're not getting it the easier way. They, like most of us, like to hustle, and they have to hustle their way through it. Not just that, the wealthy people also like to show off about all the wealth that they lost in a poor business deal, or a state that they lost to a poor economy. But the way they do it is to spark learning, that they learned a lot from the poor deal that they made, and now they make the best business decisions ever. However, the purpose here is to let everyone know that they have such wealth lying around that they can lose it and it will not create a ripple in their wealth. Let's keep the video short today. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about my content. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel so we can bring you more content in the future. Till the next video, have a safe day everyone.